Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 on iPhone. First, locate the game on the Apple App Store. It's a native port, meaning it runs directly on your device. Make sure you have ample storage, about 65 gigabytes for the full download. You can try a portion of the game for free before deciding to purchase the complete experience. To enjoy Resident Evil 4, your iPhone needs an A17 Pro chip or later. This means models like the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are compatible. Older iPhones will not support this version of the game. Always keep your iOS updated to the latest version for the best possible performance and stability while playing. Once compatibility is confirmed, download Resident Evil 4 from the App Store. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. For a more immersive experience, I highly recommend pairing a compatible Bluetooth controller. This significantly improves precision and comfort compared to touch controls, especially during intense combat sequences. For optimal gameplay, experiment with the in-game graphics settings to find a balance between visual quality and smooth performance. You can customize the touch controls to your liking, or use a physical controller for a more traditional feel. Remember to save your game often, especially after challenging encounters, to ensure your progress is always secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.